Hey there, Snapchat enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we share the latest tips and tricks to enhance your Snapchat experience. In today's video, we'll guide you through the process of saving your story in Snapchat. If you want to preserve your precious memories or revisit your favorite moments, stick around for this full guide. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the Snapchat app on your device. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the screen. Step 2. Tap on your profile icon located in the top right corner. This will take you to your profile page. Step 3. Now scroll down until you find the section labeled My Stories. Step 4. Within the My Stories section, locate the story you want to save. Tap on it to open the story. Step 5. Once the story is open, look for the 3 stacked dots in the top right corner. Tap and hold on these dots. Step 6. A menu will appear. From the menu, tap on the option that says Save. And just like that, you can save your story in Snapchat, preserving your memories for future enjoyment. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more Snapchat tips and tricks. Thank you for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.